Salman, Anna was telling me the other day, he says year after year, your fitness levels go to another zone. You've been so passionate about fitness. You're born with fitness. When did it start?
Started a very long time ago. Started with sports in school. And then I needed to put on some weight for movies and to model. Full-grown man, I used to weigh what? 48 kilos. So the whole journey was earlier till about 5 years ago to how to increase the weight and how to look bigger. Now the journey is how to decrease the weight. So it's always going to happen. And the older you get, the more difficult it gets. But you just have to keep at it. And that's what we all are doing. Just signed this film, Sultan, where I am like a wrestler who goes into MMA. So now that's a different league only of, fitness. I'll have to be in that. So I just started training. So knees hurting, back hurting, head hurting. Everything hurting. So it's just been 4 or 5 days, but we'll get there. It pains, it hurts. Like you all said, no pain, no gain. That's what being fit is all about. And I think the men in the film industry today, are like the fittest. Even athletes, they stop at the age of 34, 35, and then once they stop, they don't go back to their fitness routine. So they put on weight because those calories that were burnt when they were playing, they don't do that anymore. But in our field, we have to be fit. So from action to dancing to fighting to riding to running to everything we've got to do on ourselves. So our fitness level at our ages, I think is a lot more than anybody else right now.
Anna, you were telling me that you're truly inspired from the bottom of your heart with Salman's fitness and the way he's at it even today. You want to tell us about how inspired you are with him?
Absolutely. More so because I've seen the ups, the downs in the industry, the highs, the lows, and that's when our bodies also, move according to the graph. But as far as Bhai is concerned, the body has remained the same and it has only improved year after year. I think it's been over 20, 25 years to this body now. And you've got the best of trainers who are here, and they can vouch for the fact that you cannot maintain a body over such a long period. And in spite of working probably 16 hours, 17 hours a day, and still maintaining himself. So I think he's by far the fittest and the best body that we have. The most beautiful body also, because he was one of the first few who got that shirt out and told the world that I am the best and I'll always be the best.
Okay, if I asked you, Salman, genuinely, who's more fitter? Is it Sunil Anna or you?
Right now he is.
No question.
No, he just...
There's no question.
Whenever you talk to him, no, yeah, my migraine, I've not been working out. No, my knee, I'm not working out. But not feeling well.
My age, and that's why...
5 o'clock in the morning, he's in the gym. 5 a.m. every morning, the time I go to sleep.
Adda, have you ever had a chance where both of you said, come, let's hit the gym together?
No, but you know what? Even if it's 5 in the morning, he'd work out and then go to sleep, which is unbelievable, which is absolutely unbelievable. If you want to build a body, you have to learn from him. He's at it. I trained when I was doing Jaiho and was living with Brian the farm. And every evening, Sohail and me used to come back with some pain somewhere or the other. And suddenly we said, well, Bhai, yeah? And you'll see him in the gym through that glass training. And then we'd say, okay, let's go. And he's at it non-stop. If it's 2 hours, it is 2 hours of meticulously working on what he wants to work on, which is unreal. I've never seen it. You get tired, you want to sleep. He's tired. He'll train and then sleep. So I'm not saying that because he's here.
Sleep, that's the problem. The problem is that. Train and not sleep.
But have you guys ever worked out together where you said, let's hit the gym together, huh?
Yeah, we have, but
We've done different body parts.
yeah, absolutely. Well, I don't do legs as much as he does. He's going to get to that, so I might as well say it before he does. No, but honestly, thank you for the bottom of my heart. There's something which is very, very close to my heart. Probably a dream that I cherished when I was this little, that I would end up one day growing up and impart that knowledge and make a difference to those billions of people who are who live in the country, millions of people who live in the country, and give them something where they can sit in their homes and without, because most of our country doesn't have equipment, can't afford equipment. So here's a journey where we train without equipment, get the kids prepared. And the only person I ever thought of or dreamt of to come here and be there with me today was you. There's too much I owe you, too much I owe him, whether it's my daughter, whether it's my son, whether it's from me, the family. We've always been so close. So I think, honestly, I say this as a friend, as a fan, that it is the happiest day of my life.
And I'll tell you something. I keep on thinking of different things, how to give back. How to keep on giving back to all the fans who have, seen us, who paid money to, they sold their books, they've bunked school, and they've literally removed their pocket money and they've, gone and watched our movies. So I always find, something or the other, how to give it back. This is something I'm so envious and so jealous of, that how did I not think of this?
So sweet.
So
if it's not you, it's me, it's the same thing.
The same thing.
It's the same
it
thing.
is so amazing.
You're as happy.
It is so amazing. I absolutely, when he told me this, that he was doing this, I said, Allah, this is so amazing. मतलब कि हर चीज फोकट में हो रहा है यार ये तो. So you don't have to, go to a gym, you don't have to have a personal trainer. आप यहाँ पर आ जाओ. And from here, whatever you need to know, from fitness to diet to anything, even if you have an injury, how to solve that, So this is like the best platform for fitness ever. And I'm so happy that you did it. I'm so happy.
Your bond that you share with Anna is also based on a lot of emotional aspects as well. The emotional connection with fitness, has it made your bond stronger over the years?
That's the bouncer to both of us.
Yeah, you've been
Yes,
yeah.
yeah.
अन्ना मैंने आपको सेंटी होते हुए देखा है यार, इसलिए मैंने बोला है.
That fitness ka emotion bond is so strong between us. I believe in the basic. One is cardio, one is stretching, and one is weight training. And if you don't have weights, then you use your body weight, freehand. This is the best form of training to keep fit. And then from there, there's self-defense, and then there's the athletics kind of fitness, and new things have come out. But I think all the stuff that's come out right now is for somebody who's not been doing it since a child, it's really bad. So I won't name the kind of the new things, but anything which is like a lot of exertion and stuff like that, suddenly that quick weight loss, or you want to get into shape quickly, will always damage you.
So Salman,
So you need
everybody
to-
just
need to
talked
do
about
this.
you, that you are the fittest and you are the icon of the fitness today, and everybody is just watching you as a man who just touches everything which becomes the goal. So do you think that you are a Midas touch man today?
It is not easy. You have to work towards it. You have to work really hard. So no, there's nothing as Midas touch you. I think those many hours of practice for anything will get you that result, that dedication, that sincerity. And I'm not very dedicated. I'm not very sincere. My genes helped me in this. So I kind of abuse. I mean, I just tweeted a picture of my father and me and Sohail. My dad is 78, I think 79, about 4 months ago. You very clearly see, एक हल्का चार पैक. अब वो चार पैक पीने के बाद चार पैक है. At 78, तो we feel कि ये यहाँ तक तो खींच ही लेंगे भाई. So we also push it a little bit, but till the time, this is, I believe, till the time the belt is ऐसी ना straight. जहाँ belt ऐसा हो गया ना, then you need to start working out. So 4-pack, flat stomach is benchmark. जहाँ 4 से थोड़ा सा कम होने शुरू होता है ना, that's the right time to get back in the gym and start working on hard. Because once you put on that weight, then it gets really, really difficult for anybody.
सलमान
और काय को उतनी
fittest
मेहनत
person in the industry, everyone knows about
Exciting
it.
idea.
कितने अच्छे दोस्त हैं अन्ना सलमान, ये जानना चाहूंगा आपसे. You know,
But I think right now everyone is really fit in the industry. Everyone is really fit.
Yeah, yes, but you know, there's always a body that doesn't stay constant through the entire.
Very difficult it gets, yeah.
It is difficult, and that's why I say you are the best, because I've seen the others go sway with every film and with every
I have no
season.
choice. Every film I have to remove my shirt towards the climax. So I have no choice. As soon as I let it go, and then एक महीना बाकी है भाई shirt निकालना, and then back on. And I have to work harder because I don't diet, which is like the worst thing. You know, I'll have my food, you know, घर का खाना. So I'll not go into the steam, I'll not go into the boil, I won't do any of this stuff. I would rather go to the gym and put that half an hour, 1 hour extra in the gym and I will not also overtly eat, के taste के लिए. जितना खाना है, उतना ही खाऊंगा मैं, you know, it's quite a bit. And quite a few times, but my body needs that. So I will not go into steamed and boiled and all that stuff. Trainers, so it gets a little more respect नहीं मिली है. You know, now the respect for the trainer is going to be like right there.
We'd like to call Anna the mentor
And
for active fitness.
a lot of people can learn from here and
Know your
also
tip for
start their
people
own.
who-
I don't want to tell you my tip for people right now.
Okay. People who start fitness with a lot of enthusiasm, but then after a few days or months, the enthusiasm goes down.
So they should not start fitness with enthusiasm.
Thank you, Salman. Thank you so much.